Hi, this is Scott again. How are you, my awesome clients and everybody out there who is in the property management business or real estate investing? You own property, rental property in the Southern California area. Just wanted to update you on something that is coming up. It's really important that you know they're at it again. They're going after additional rent control in the state of California. And here's how they're doing it. It's called Justice for Renters Act. And every time they say or give it a cute little name like that, justice, who's not going to vote for that? We want justice for everybody, don't we? So that's their game. That's what they're up to. It's a ballot initiative. It got the necessary votes. This is going to be on the ballot in November 2024, this year, this coming November. Look out for it. Watch out for it. Educate yourself. Get involved. Donate, contribute, tell everybody you know, share this video, share articles, follow the AOA. The California Apartment Association is heavily involved in fighting this. Now, let's put this in perspective. The person who is behind all this is the same person that has been behind it the last 2 or 3 initiatives to put in statewide rent control, which they already done that. But that only applies to certain properties. This one is going to apply to your single family homes and condos. They're going to make that rent control. And the guy behind it is Michael Weinstein. And this guy, Michael Weinstein, he's a billionaire. His AIDS Foundation is a $2 billion annual revenue. I mean, they've got deep pockets. And the last initiative, I think that was in 2020 for Prop 21, $40 million this guy put out there to promote that ballot initiative, which failed, thank God. So they're at it again. The California Apartment Association has brought in about $1 million to fight this. On the flip side, this Michael Weinstein has put in, so far they've raised $10 million to promote it. So, I mean, look at the difference in spending for this initiative. Over $10 million, and almost $8 million of that so far is coming from Mr. Michael Weinstein. I don't know anything about this guy other than he's been behind almost every effort to make rent control on every single property. Let me get a little bit into what this law is going to do if passed. So one, it's going to repeal the Costa-Hawkins Act, which was passed in 1995, protecting the single-family homes and condos from rent control and people who have those homes as rentals. It's now going to open it up to rent control. Every city across California can now make their own rent control laws for your single-family homes and your condos. So now you can only raise it that little 3%. Sometimes they let you raise it 4%. They're going to do that to your property. And then the other thing is, if there's a first-time renter, there's going to be a cap on how much you can rent that home for. They haven't given the details yet, but do you trust them to make that decision for you? So if it's a first-time applicant, never had a rental history before, it's going to be rent capped. We don't know how much. My guess is it's going to be a lot. The worst part about this is, say your tenant moves out of the house and they were paying $1,600 a month for a 3-bedroom house. Come on, that's ridiculous. That is such a low rent for a 3-bedroom house, $1,600. Well, under this law, if it passes, you cannot increase it above the $1,600. It's fixed. So usually when a tenant moves out of the home, you get to raise it up to market rent. They're going to take that away from you. And so you're locked in even when your tenant moves out at that rent level. And that's scary. I've been reading a lot about rent control and all their efforts, and every year they're coming at you, so you have to be diligent. Don't fall for the cute little names, and spread the word. Tell your friends and neighbors and everybody you know that another rent control law is coming. And yeah, if you don't own a single family home or condo rental, but you're in the apartment business or commercial business, I get it. But hey, we're all in this together, as they like to say. And so let's stick together and let's help each other and spread the word, and let's defeat this coming up in November. My name's Scott with Harbor Property Management, and I'm very grateful to you, my awesome clients. And if you ever want to reach out to me, you have my information here, and I look forward to talking to you again. Take care.